What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making some Jamaican fried dumpling. Stay tuned. Let me show you how I make my Jamaican fried dumpling, Sister J's way. So for my fried dumpling here, I have 1 cup of flour, a 1/3 cup of cornmeal. I have some sugar here, which is optional. I have a teaspoon of baking powder. And here I have some milk, which is also optional. You can use water instead. So the flour is already sieved. So now I'm going to put the cornmeal in and I'm going to sieve the cornmeal. The cornmeal is optional, it's up to you, but I just don't like my dumpling without cornmeal. So even when I'm frying it, I add some cornmeal to it. But you don't have to put cornmeal. This is the baking powder. And the sugar. Let me wash my hands. Okay, so my hands are clean, so it's time to make the dumplings. So I'm just going to use my hands to mix it in. Well, actually I'm using one hand, so it's hand. So now I'm going to pour some milk in. Pour a little bit more in. Okay, so I'm just going to rinse my hand off. So now I'm going to cover this and let it sit for half an hour. Half an hour will do. Then I'll be right back with some fried dumpling. Okay, so it's time to make the dumpling. So I just take the plastic wrap off the flour. So now I'm gonna make the dumpling to put. Alright, so my hands is already washed and all that thing. So just roll them up and put them in the bowl, and then I make them and put them in the pot. Okay, so you know everybody make their dumpling different. This is my way of doing my dumpling. One of my way of doing my dumpling, because sometimes I use water instead of the milk. So it's not all the time I use the milk. Okay, so the milk is optional for the dumpling. I make my dumpling very small. So you might need more than 3. You might need more than 3 of these dumplings. They're small, right? But you make them the size how you want them, okay? Alright, this is the final one. So out of my dumpling I get 1 dozen. 3, 6, 9, 12. If you want to know if your dumpling is fully cooked, then you put like a toothpick or the fork in it, and if it comes out clean, your dumpling is ready. Okay, so like this. So my dumplings ready to go. The dumplings are ready, guys. Just taking them out and put on a plate on top of paper towel. There you have it, guys. Jamaican style fried dumplings, Sister J's way. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and be a part of the family. Take care of yourself. Be blessed. Guidance. Stay safe.